So we had Sunday dinner on Sunday and we've got some leftover mashed potato. I didn't want to waste it. So what I'm going to do is just show you really quickly how I use our pakora mix to make mashed potato a little bit more interesting. So I've got the mash and I'm going to add some chopped up onion into there. And I'm going to mix that in. And at the same time, I've got some of our pakora mix, which I've mixed with water, makes a batter for pakora mix. And I'm just going to get a couple of spoonfuls of that and put that in. And I'm going to keep the rest. Next, I'll get a pan like this one, or a wok, or any sort of pan will do. I'll get some normal cooking oil. I'm going to pour some of that in there. I'm not going to deep fry them, just going to put enough in to make sure I can cook them. So once the oil's hot, what I'm going to do is with the mix, use a couple of spoons. You can just use your hands if you want, and get a nice spoonful of that, like that. And I'm going to dip it in the rest of the batter. I've got a dollop of that in the batter, and I'm just going to drop it in the oil, like so. I'm going to move it around to make sure it doesn't stick at first. And get another dollop. Ladle with a hole, or spoon with a hole. Okay, just gonna, they will stick to the bottom at first, so the best thing is to move them around fairly straight away. Turn them over while they're cooking. Right, and you'll see, I'll try and do this without spilling it this time, they're starting to go nice and brown and crispy. Okay, so I'm going to leave them in there a bit longer so both sides get done. Done. So they've been cooking for a couple of minutes, and as you can see now, they're nice and golden and crispy, like that. Now I'm just going to put them in a little dish. I've put a bit of kitchen foil there just to catch any excess oil. So I've let them cool down a bit this time, learnt from my mistakes, and that's what you get. Nice crispy potato snack. Nice with a cup of tea, or a side dish for your dinner, or just to eat while you're cooking. Thanks.